We long for connection, for belonging, to be seen and loved, not just in spite of our flaws, but because of them. We crave this deep love in our most intimate relationships. Love is not a destination, it's a daily practice. Show up, be present, and cultivate connection. Manifesting an amazing relationship involves intention and effort. Here's a guide to help you cultivate a deeper connection. Before we can build anything worthwhile, we have to know what we're building, right? Reflect on what an amazing relationship looks like to you. What are the values at its core? Is it laughter, deep conversations, or shared adventures? Be specific. Write it down. Visualize those happy moments with your spouse. This is the foundation. We talk about communication being key, but it's not just about talking, is it? It's about listening with our whole hearts. When your spouse speaks, truly listen, not just to the words but to the emotions beneath them. Show empathy. Put yourself in their shoes. Try to understand their perspective even if you don't agree with it, and then speak your truth. Be honest about your needs and desires in the relationship. Encourage your spouse to do the same. Vulnerability can be scary, but it's the birthplace of true connection. In the busyness of life, it's easy to focus on what's not working. But what if we shifted our perspective? What if we started focusing on the good, regularly express gratitude for the positive aspects? Focus on your spouse's strengths and tell them how much you appreciate those things. Chapter 4. Time, the most precious gift. We live in a world that's constantly demanding our attention, our time, our energy. But here's the truth. Relationships don't thrive on leftovers. They need focused, intentional time. Make time for each other, even in the midst of busy schedules. Plan date nights or even just carve out 30 minutes to connect without distractions. And when you're together, be fully present. Put away the phones, turn off the TV, and truly see each other. Listen, talk, laugh. Remember what it feels like to simply be together. Chapter 5. The courage to forgive. Disagreements are inevitable in any relationship. It's how we handle them that determines the health of our bond. When conflict arises, approach it with a solution-oriented mindset. Avoid blame and defensiveness. Instead, focus on understanding each other's perspectives. And remember, holding on to past hurts only creates distance. It's like carrying around a bag of rocks. It weighs us down and prevents us from moving forward. Practice forgiveness, both for your spouse and yourself. Let go of the need to be right and choose love instead. Chapter 6. Growing Together. One of the most beautiful things about relationships is the opportunity to grow alongside another person. Encourage your spouse to pursue their dreams, their passions. Be their biggest cheerleader. Celebrate their successes and offer comfort and support during challenges. And don't forget about your own growth. Engage in activities that help you both grow as individuals and as a couple. Take a class together, explore new hobbies, or simply have those deep late-night conversations that challenge your perspectives and ignite your souls. Chapter 7. The power of a positive mindset. Our thoughts have incredible power. They can either build us up or tear us down. The same is true for our relationships. If we constantly focus on our partner's flaws or the negative aspects of our relationship, guess what? That's what we'll see more of. Instead, choose to focus on the strengths of your relationship. Remind yourself of the reasons you fell in love in the first place. Repeat affirmations that reinforce your belief in a loving, strong connection. Remember, what we focus on expands. Chapter 8. The commitment to keep showing up. Building an amazing relationship takes time, effort, and patience. There will be ups and downs, seasons of joy and challenge. Love isn't a feeling, it's a commitment. It's a choice to keep showing up for each other, to keep choosing love even when it's hard. Outro: a love worth fighting for. Creating a deep, fulfilling relationship with your spouse is an ongoing journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, but the rewards of connection, intimacy, and love are worth the effort. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Millions of couples have navigated the ups and downs of marriage and emerged stronger, more connected, and more in love than ever before. By aligning your intentions, actions, and mindset towards nurturing your relationship, you can manifest a deeper, more fulfilling connection with your spouse.